Stand all the way around. Go all the way around. All the way around. All the way around. Now begin to intercede, begin to pray as you've never prayed before. Deeper is the order of the day. Just begin to pray, just begin to pray. Just take a few moments and pray. Take a few moments. Come on, pray for destiny. Pray for purpose. Pray for divine direction. That heaven will come to earth. That the vision of heaven will be the vision of this ministry. That there be no diversion. In the name of Jesus, we bind every demonic intersection. We bind every demonic, and we bind and we shut it down. In the name of Jesus, we bind the spirit of the python. We bind the spirit of the python. In the name of Jesus Christ, we send fire, fire, fire. Oh! We call for truth. We call for the fire of truth. We shake every snake into the fire.